So I'm here in Milan, and I just got me a Cornetto, croissant. It's also referred to as a brioche. Here I got it filled with pistachio from pistacchio. I could have also got it with other flavors, Nutella, apricot, and so on and so forth. But I got pistachio filled, and a cappuccino at this little bar here in Milan. And they referred to this as Cappuccio. I've never heard of it before, referred to that way. Cappuccio. The world knows it as cappuccino, but sometimes there's little regional dialects, little regional slangs and sayings that differ from parts of Italy. So I ordered a cappuccio, cappuccino, along with a brioche, or also known as a cornetto in Italiano. Okay, everyone. Hope you all have a great day.